taken some oil in a pan. I'm gonna add some cumin seeds, some onion and green onion. Just fry these lightly. Boiled potatoes, red chili powder or paprika, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili flakes, salt, chaat masala. Now fry this for about 5 minutes only. Once the filling is ready, add chopped coriander, mix it and cool it down. To make the chutney, you need some coriander, mint, green chilies and garlic. Put everything in the blender. Some almonds, salt, a little bit of sugar, yogurt. Now I'm gonna blend this. Blend it. Now take some yogurt and mix it in. Now take your air fryer basket. Place the samosas in there. Oil spray them or brush them with oil. These are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for maybe about 7 to 8 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. I'm just gonna flip these. Oil spray them again and air fry for another 5 to 6 minutes.